Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our new lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter P. We will practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words that start with P. In our last video, we covered the letter B. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. The letter P is from the same category like B. Like for example, in the previous lesson we learned B, B, F, T, T, C. All these five letters have the same scripting, the same writing style. In today's lesson, the letter P giving the sound of P and using it instead of P, giving the sound of Pa. Pa. Initial style is this one, middle part is this one, final joint is this one, and final unjoined is this one. Let's to see in a words. Like for example, we have park. Park. Park means clean. Kali. Kali. Kali means clothes. The or for example in the previous video we learned they was s and these are the difference is just in pronunciation. If you pronounce they it means s, if you pronounce the it means r. Yeah, look, kali park kali park the clothes are clean. Kali clothes, park clean, they are Kali Park the clothes are clean. Bhopal Kali Park Sati. Bhopal Kali Park Sati. Bhopal keep his clothes clean. Bhopal name, private name. Kali clothes. Park clean. Sati keep. Bhopal Kali Park Sati. Bhopal keep his clothes clean. Bhopal Kali Park Sati. Bhopal keep his clothes clean. We have the sentence The Navy Kali Awandam. The Navy Kali Awandam. The means I. Navy new. Kali clothes. Awandam wearing. Look, Awandam means wearing, and this mean we say like personal ending. This is acting like am. It means this sentence referring to me. Awandam. For example, if you want to say you're wearing new clothes, then we call it awande. Look, awandam will be changed to awande. This personal ending is it means am. The Navy Kali awandam. I'm wearing new clothes. The Navy Kali awandam. I'm wearing new clothes. For example, we have say in a word like park. Park. Park in English like park. Nigde. Nigde. Nigde means near. They is. Look, in the previous sentence we have the was are, and they is. Yeah, in a sentence you can say park nigde they. Park nigde they. Park is near. In Pashto dialect, some people are pronouncing nigde, some people are pronouncing like nijde. But we can say nigde. Park is near. Park nigde they. Park is park. Nigde near. They is. Park nigde they. Park is near. Or we can say park der nigde they. Park der nigde they. Park is very near. Park, park der very nigde near. They is. Look, is verb is good to the end of the sentence. Then the structure is the same. The order is the same. Park is park. Then we must say very dear. Then near nigde. Then they is. Park der nigde they. Park is very near. We have the park ke lo bekavam. The park ke لوبې کوم. I play in the park. زه means I. په پارک کې in the park لوبې کوم. Playing. Look. Per and K means in. We say in the previous video as well that this in, like we can say, is coming in two parts. Yeah. زه په پارک کې لوبې کوم. I play in the parks. زه په پارک کې قدم وهم. زه په پارک کې قدم وهم. I walk in the park. زه means again I. په پارک کې in the park. قدم وهم walk. قدم like walk. قدم وهم like walking or doing the actions. زه په پارک کې قدم وهم. I walk in the park. We have زه پرون پارک ته تللی وم. زه پرون پارک ته تللی وم. I went to the park yesterday. زه means I. پرون yesterday. پارک ته to the park. تللی وم went. زه پرون پارک ته تللی وم. I went to the park yesterday. Yeah. We can say زه پوهنتون ته ځم. زه پوهنتون ته ځم. زه پوهنتون ته ځم. I go to the university. زه means again I. پوهنتون university. ته ځم go. زه پوهنتون ته ځم. I go to the university. پوهنتون ډېر لوی دی. پوهنتون ډېر لوی دی. It means the university is very big. پوهنتون university ډېر very. لوی big. دی is. پوهنتون ډېر لوی دی. The university is very big. If we want to say like پوهنتون university is very small. پوهنتون ډېر کوچنی دی. Instead of لوی we can say کوچنی small. Yeah. Now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. Yeah. Park, park, clean. Kali, kali, clothes. D, R. Kali, park, D. Kali, park, D. Repeat after me. Kali, park, D. The clothes are clean. Popal, kali, park, sati. Popal, kali, park, sati. Popal keep his clothes clean. زه نوي کالي اغوندم. زه نوي کالي اغوندم. I'm wearing new clothes. Park, park. Park means park. نږدې, نږدې, near. They is. Park نږدې دی. Park نږدې دی. Park is near. Park ډېر نږدې دی. Park ډېر نږدې دی. Park is very near. زه په پارک کې لوبې کوم. زه په پارک کې لوبې کوم. I play in the park. زه په پارک کې قدم وهم. زه په پارک کې قدم وهم. I walk in the park. زه پرون پارک ته تللی وم. زه پرون پارک ته تللی وم. I went to the park yesterday. زه پوهنتون ته ځم. زه پوهنتون ته ځم. I go to the university. پوهنتون ډېر لوی دی. پوهنتون ډېر لوی دی. The university is very big. If you would like to learn Pashto or Dari online, feel free to contact me. I'll taught hundreds of students and delivered thousands of hours on different online platforms like I can briefly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.